Yes students, now we will do question number 7. In this question, the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given, and what we have to do with these values, we have to make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. We have to make only table with the digits which are given after the decimal point, not before the decimal point. And one more question is there, what are the most and least frequently occurring digits? So firstly we will make a table, and this side, left side, I have made two columns, digit and frequency. So first of all, you will write the digits are 0 to 9. So you will write the digits in the column of digits. Here you will write 0, first digit will come 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you will write in this column 0 to 9. After that we will check their frequency, and in last column total will come. So now we will check how many times 0 will occur after the decimal. We will leave this 3, we will not count this 3 because we have to take only the values which are after the decimal. So we will not include this 3, we will cross it. And now check how many times 0 has come in this decimal expansion. So you can count 1 and then 2. So you will write here 2. In the same way, you will count the digit 1. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So you will write here 5. The one digit has occurred 5 times. In this way, you will complete the frequency table. You will write by calculating the number of times. I am just completing this table. I am just writing the frequency of all the digits here. So you will do it by yourself. Okay, now move to the next question. First part we have completed. In the first part we have to make only the frequency distribution table, and now move to the second part. What are the most and least frequency occurring digits? So we will see in the table that firstly we will find out the most occurring digits. So the largest frequency is 8, and this is for 3 and 9. You can see easily in the table that 8 is the frequency of 3 as well as 8 is the frequency of 9. So your answer will come both the digits. You will write here most occurring digits are 3 and 9. So you will write in the answer 3 and 9. After that, second part, least occurring digit. So again move to the table and check which digit has come the least number of times, means whose frequency is less. सबसे smallest, that is 0. 0 की जो frequency है that is only 2.